TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. We have the Dow Industrials up 32. You get the Nasdaq down 15. S&Ps are flat. Gold contracts trading down $11.50 at $12.12 an ounce. We have silver down 60 cents at $16.78 an ounce. Platinum is down 13 at $9.31 an ounce. Copper's up a penny at $2.51 a pound. Light sweet crude down 57 cents, $42.86 a barrel. Notes, the 10-year note down 27 ticks, 126.10. 30-year bond off a point and a half, 153.18. King dollar's over $100, up 1,145 ticks, trading out at 102.10. The euro is at 107, and the yen is at 108.43. We get over and we take a look at the S&P. What you have happening is this: the S&P is failing on price, failing on volume, all of the above. It failed on the daily, failed on the weekly last week. I expect you're going to see this stay under the 217.03 area. The 217.03 area, folks, is the area from the September 9th downdraft. That is an area that the S&P has not been able to get over. The divergence, of course, is that the Dow is over that area. The NDX 100, what we have with the NDX 100 is this. NDX 100 is also having a hard time getting up into higher price. I don't expect we're going to see it. Now, gold contract. What do we have with gold? Gold, folks, has done a 50% retracement. We're at 12.13. If you take a look at this, what you're coming into is you're coming into the strength that was established out here on June 3rd. 12.06.40 is the number. I expect what you're going to see out here today, you're going to see a rejection of lower price. You're going to see lighter volume. You're going to see all of the above. If we go over to the bonds, and this is why, we go over to the notes first. What you have with the notes and the bonds, this extension is about as good as you can get. The 10-year note got down to 125.30 today. You're at 126.10. I expect you're going to see this 10-year somewhere up to about 127.02. The 30-year, and what I mean specifically is that you're going to see a rejection of lower price out here, because if we also take these bonds, the notes or the bonds, what you're going to see is this. When you bring this back, you put this on a continuous contract, what you're going to see is that you're coming right into all the support that had been out there since May of 2015 going over to January of 2016. Bottom line is that the lower end of that is 151.12. We hit 152.24, and it looks to me like you're going to have a rejection here. We'll probably bounce back up to 161.21, and we'll see if that's a larger ABC structure on the way down. King dollar. What do you have for King dollar? King dollar, when topside has topside, all of the above, we'll see how much further it's going to go. Bottom line, the further the King dollar goes, the more that the S&P, Dow, Nasdaq are going to get toasted and roasted. We haven't seen that yet, no doubt, as the market hasn't paid attention to interest rates as they've gone up. But guess what? You're going to see it, and it will come very fast, just as the counter-trend bounce has come very fast. Silver, we go take a look at the silver market. What we have with silver is this. Silver right now is at $16.81. And if we do take a look at silver in the same aspect that we looked at gold, meaning you put it on a continuous contract, what you're going to see is that silver also is coming into the exact same time frame, meaning where it broke topside from in June. That low there is $16.24. We've hit $16.75. Bottom line, what I expect you're going to see out here today is this. You have a market that's slightly higher. I expect by the end of the day, you're going to see that market lower. You're going to see a rejection of lower price in the metals market, and more than likely we're going to see bonds and the dollar reverse. So big action out here, folks. This 10 a.m. update is brought to you each and every day by Everbank. For more information on the products they offer, you can give them a call at 855-750-4051. That's 855-750-4051, or visit everbank.com/TFNN. Have a great day. Have a safe day. Look forward to speaking right back here tomorrow morning, 10 o'clock.
Today, it's hard to tell if the economy is coming or going. Regardless, I want my money going in the direction I choose. If that's your stance as well, then you want to know how Everbank can help keep your money thriving just the way you want. Is growing your money a priority? Everbank is committed to a yield pledge promise to pay high yields on your checking, money market, and CD balances. Looking to diversify? Everbank ingeniously developed accessible ways to spread your money around the world into foreign currencies and even non-FDIC insured metals. And when it comes to your wealth, they bring a highly experienced and global perspective to help you manage it. Everbank's financial philosophy flies in the face of the status quo. They believe your money's performance should not be determined by today's economic circumstances, but by the drive to rise above them and create opportunities that favor your objectives. If that excites you, like it does me, call 1-855-750-4051 to find out what they can do for you. That's 1-855-750-4051. Call them today. Everbank is a member FDIC and equal housing lender.